going to guess, Carter, it's the Eli Lilly chart we're talking about then, because the XBI one, I don't think we describe as perfect.
Right. And you know, it's sometimes some people say, why would you go against a good thing? You know, stay long, be long. And that's a very important principle, is letting your winners run. And yet Lilly is, it's almost as though it's become a safe haven where people are hiding in a very dodgy market generally, and to some extent in healthcare. So the chart you see on the screen, that's from 2016. We're at the upper band of that well-defined channel. But just consider this: from the '09 low at $27 to where we are now at $372, Lilly has tripled the performance of the healthcare sector, and tripled the performance of essentially the S&P. At this point, ironically, even fundamental analysts, their price target is essentially 12 months hence. They think it's worth exactly what it's trading at now. At some point, you take the road less traveled. You just fade something, and I think that's the circumstance now for Lilly.
Yeah, that chart looks like the left-hand side of Mount Everest or something.
Yep,
what about the
yep.
XBI then? So if we turn to the biotechs, which obviously have had a tough year because of Fed tightening, the conversation we had earlier, maybe they're going to kind of pull back here. Does that create an opportunity, or do you just still not like the space?
No, I do. I mean, it has all the elements of a bearish to bullish reversal. In fact, consider this, that the XBI, the Spider biotech ETF, it made its low in May, and it's nowhere near that low, whereas the S&P in October made a new low. So the S&P and equities in general have a spring, summer low, May, June, and then they go below in October and now above. But the XBI bottomed early, it topped early. And so within healthcare, this is an area we like a lot.
All right. Last final thought then. If you had to, say where you think this Fed macro trade is headed overall right now, what's your gut tell you heading into the end of the year?
Right. I think consensus is overwhelmingly bullish. Seasonal periods, year-end rallies. We've done some polls, and it comes out quite bullish. Everyone's expecting an up December. And while there's about only 19 sessions left, it's all about what happens in the beginning of next year. And some of the most precipitous sell-offs of all time happen in January. And we saw that in the 73, 74 bear market right away. We saw it, of course, this year, Jan 4. I think you'll see some very heavy selling in the beginning of the year.
Yikes. All right, we talked about a mountain, maybe now a cliff. That's certainly something to keep in mind as we head into year end. Carter, thanks for now. We appreciate it.